Buenos días, licenciada. El día de hoy le voy a exponer mi proyecto, que es The Nightingale and the Rose. Mi nombre es Doménica Joa y pertenezco al noveno C. Autor biography. Dublín, 1854, París, 1900. Red White, the son of Sir John William Wills. Wilde and the Great Joanna. L. Oscar Wilde had a quiet and the uneventful childhood. Hail student and the Portora Royal School in Enniskillen, Trinity College, Dublin, and later at Magdalen College, Oxford, where they studied between 1874 and 1868, and where he received the nightingale Prize for Poetry. Part 1. At night, a nightingale sang a song of love and happiness, and the girl told him that I cry now my happiness depends on a red rose. Every night I think of love. The young man know that tomorrow is the party, and if I like her the red rose, she will dance with me, and if not, she will not tell you me there were yellow roses. There were white roses, but there were no red roses. And she said, "Poor me," and say, "You cannot buy the love with gold coins." Part 2. The nightingale sang a beautiful roses bush and laughed and free. She flew to the roses and sang, "Give me a red rose." And I'll sing to my sweetest song. The Lord told him, "I am sorry. My roses I cried." My brother white grounds around the sundial and said, "Die, my red rose. I will you my sweetest song." And the Lord replied, "Sorry, my roses are yellow." To my brother, the 13th went down to the student window. Maybe he can help you. He flew to the window and asked him for a red rose. And I sang you my sweetest song, and my branches are broken this year. I have no flowers. As he sang, if you want a red rose, you must boil of the moon with music and paint with your own blood. Summer song too. Me all night and I grasp your heart against the thorns. Yellow nightingale say, that is a fair price for a roses. Everyone likes life, but love is beat that life, and the heart of a man is more important than the heart of a bird. The student will have his rose. Part 3. The nightingale flew back to the garden as if the student leaned on the grass. His eyes were full of tears. "Be happy," the bird said. "You will have red rose, your red rose, and tomorrow night you will dance your love at the princess bell. She will make the rose for you by moonlight, with music and with my own heart blood." The student looked up and listened, but they didn't understand what the nightingale sang, saying, "Sing me your sweetest song." Like nightingale, I will be sent when you are not there. Here, the student heard the song and said, yes, yes, this music, this music is very beautiful. We can't be really understand love. She sing well, she but she's like an artist, and everybody know that artists are no sincere. The light nightingale sang our most beautiful final song. The white moon heard in the ship forgot the sun in the Amsterdam state. In the sky to listen. The red rose heard the song and opened her pencils in the cold morning air. Part 4. The next day, the student woke up and looking out of his window. That lucky, he said, here is a red rose. It, it is extremely beautiful red rose. I am sure it has lying Latin name. He took the rose from the tree. He put on his hat and ran to the professor's house. The professor down, down there, down there was sitting near the door. Look, here is a red rose for you. Tonight you must dance with me, as you promised. The girl didn't smile, but she looked at him. I'm sorry, she said, don't like the color. My dress is blue and the rose is red. And none of the things and the Chamberlains gave me heels. Everybody know that she wills are more expressive than flowers. I don't want you, Rose. You are very ungrateful, said the student angry. And he throws the rose into the street. Glosario. Glossar parte 1. Esmeralda. Illuminum. Beridium. Double. Silicates mineral. Which is bring red in color from chromium oxide and, and is highly valued in jewelry. Opalus is lithium minerals softer and less dense than quartz, containing a variable amount of water. Daisy flowers, margarita. It is a herbaceous plant of the Asteraceae family. Philosophy. Set of reflection on the essence, properties, causes, and effects of nature, especially in man and the universe. Roses. Rose flowers with large heart-shaped petals, thorn of stem, brick, and varied colors. Glosario parte 2. Rosebush, rosal. Is roofed with branching stems full of thorns, alternate leaved flowers. Sundial, reloj de sol. The sundial, our solar clock, is an instrument exercise ancient times in order to measure time. Blood, sangre. Liquid red in color invertebrates which thrive by the circulate. Owner, dueña. Person who owns cemetery. A process agent. Marvelous, maravillosa. That is extraordinarily, or that it is wonderful for some other quality. A grass cesspit pitch of the certain sport, such as football, rugby, etc. Pear trees, perales. These three strong resist hard. Princess, princesa, daughter of king. Ace, ojos. Look expression of the ace when looking our way of doing it. Glosario parte 4. Extremity, extremadamente. Is the highest dredges. Beautiful, hermosa. That has beautiful. You promised, prometiste. Faith yourself, take a promise, be and time. Chamberlain, Chamberlain. A nobleman of the old royal court was in charge of accompanying and serving the king. Books, libros. Set of sheets of paper, parchment, volume, etc. Handwrite or printed, joined on the side and normally. Blood forming a single volume. Gracias por su atención.